Litecoin could see a 3.6% retracement by August 21 based on crypto predictions. But before we go deeper, let's check what's unfolding right now. As we speak, Litecoin has gone up 5.1% and is sitting around $47.21. Let's unpack today's forecast from experts. Coin price forecast suggests the chart could show $47.63 by August 21. That would be up by around 0.9%. CoinLore anticipates Litecoin falling to $46.94, a drop estimated at 0.6%. According to CoinCodex, it might be heading lower toward $46.74, a decline estimated at 1%. Another forecast from Crypto Predictions indicates Litecoin could approach $45.50 on the way down, an expected loss of about 3.6%. And in closing Gov, Capital suggests the price may dip to $44.35 by tomorrow, 6.1% below now. This is the most profitable return estimate. That wraps up 5 expert takes. Let's go on. Let's sum up what all 5 analysts expect based on their forecasts. Based on the combined forecast from all analysts, the price could range between a decline of 6.1% and a rise of 0.9%, depending on the analyst. As the data shows, Gov Capital offers the top projected return with 6.1% gain in value by tomorrow. Based on these forecasts, you might make between $6 and $61 for every $1,000 you invest. Using volatility as the basis, CoinLore's forecast shows the strongest probability at 69.5%. Looking across all 5 predictions, I've put forward the clearest consensus path. Consensus points to Litecoin trading near $46.23. Here's the breakdown. Consensus projections show the price down by about 2.1%. And by that same proportion, your capital would also reflect an increase. On a 1,000 position, this might represent $21 gained. So the probability of this consensus forecast materializing is estimated at 51.8%. Let's turn our attention to the 3-day projections. Litecoin is projected to gain further. Coin price forecast also suggests. CoinLore signals that sideways trading will dominate, with prices relatively even. The short-term picture, also noted by CoinCodex, shows stability. Crypto Prediction suggests Litecoin will retreat from current levels. Additionally, Gov Capital expects the chart to tilt downward. According to the consensus, Litecoin is expected to show further weakness in the short term. So overall, most analysts agree on an upward tendency, highlighting strength in Litecoin's short-term outlook. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's check how accurate they turned out. At the end of the day, the market recorded $46.80. The outcome showed that only a minority of forecasts were correct about the direction. If we focus on accuracy, the top spot goes to 30 rates. Let's break it down now. The daily candle contained 3 forecasts. When it comes to ROI, a few forecasts ended positive, with the top result at 0.8%. Here's the full table showing how every forecast performed. Looking at the verified numbers, CoinLore showed minus 4.9% ROI and $2.83 accuracy. Take a moment and think, who came closest this time? Let's take a look at how tomorrow's potential returns compare between Litecoin and a few others. In the profitability overview, Litecoin holds 4th place and A forecasts 9.8%. For now, Litecoin is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies, but a detailed comparison with many more is already published on my website. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next strong move before it happens. See you in the next comparison.